start out with a way to keep your pet's teeth nice and clean. Now, I know you're going to have to, you'd have to take care of that, but you're wondering, oh, if it's a chore that you may not look forward to. You want to make sure you're doing it right. You don't want to use human toothpaste, but here is Dr. Tuder's Pet Care Dental Gel and Rinse. You're getting both of them, and we're getting this little contraption here. Not really a toothbrush, but we're going to explain how to use it, and it is a customer pick and only $29.95 today. So our special guest is Dr. Michael Tuder. Michael has been a veterinarian for over 34 years. He's also the CEO of the Mount Veterinary Specialties. He's also the owner and director of 4 animal hospitals. Owner and director of 4 animal hospitals in the New York, New Jersey area there. So, Dr. Tuder, it's so nice to see you and your little best friend. I know that's Karma, who's going to be, with us throughout the show.
It's great to be back, and it makes me feel good as a veterinarian to show the people at home that they can be empowered and take control of their pet's health. Yeah,
and I know because, growing up, I was telling you this, my parents raised Shetland sheepdogs. We bred them and sold the purebreds, and I remember cleaning the teeth was always like, what do you do? What do you use? Maybe they don't like you to come at them with a toothbrush. This is a professional care system that you do at home, and you make it easy for us.
That's right. I want to take the mystery out of dental care. These products are made they're balanced for the pH of your pet's mouth. They will keep down the bacterial plaque. They're easy to use, so you don't need to be afraid. What we want to do is use them, 2 of them in conjunction with each other. We have the toothpaste, which brushing the teeth is the single most effective way to protect the mouth and take down the bacterial plaque between professional dental care. So you at home can do this. You don't need fancy instruments. You just have to do it. So we have the gel. It comes in a little tube. It would be nice if you were to use a brush, but it's really very simple. If you just take a cotton ball and you put a little bit on here, a little bit of the gel, it's not heavy duty. It is low foaming, so it doesn't hurt they can't breathe it in. And then we just lift up our little gums, and we just rub it on there, and you see, we help take the plaque away. Once you do that, the gums will spread the product around.
Mm-hmm. The tongue, you mean?
The gums, excuse me, the tongue and the lips, excuse me.
No, that's okay.
And we've taken down the film, and the bacteria can't form tartar.
So it's got pH balance because a dog's mouth is different than a human's mouth, and also it's low foaming, and that's why you don't want to use human toothpaste. You were explaining to me, because you don't want it to be all foamy on a dog.
That's true.
And why is that you don't want to do that?
Human toothpaste has too much foaming power, and a dog can inhale that, or a kitty can inhale that, and that can be irritating to the respiratory tract. And also, they contain too much abrasives. This has silica and enzymes and baking soda that will gently clean and whiten the teeth and keep the gums fresh. It's keeping the gums healthy is what will save teeth.
Okay, also, this is for cats as well. I want to make sure I mention that throughout the show. It's palpable, alcohol-free oral care, gently cleanse the teeth and gums. Dental gel formulated for pets. Antiseptic rinse helps reduce plaque and freshens breath. So if you ever have that doggy that comes over and it's like, oh, wow, that is not a good smell. Because, their faces are in a lot of places.
Yes.
I'm trying to keep it clean here on TV.
Yes, that's true.
They do some self-cleaning in some places. That's all I'm saying.
Listen. Yeah. We all have bacteria that live in our mouths. It's a fact of life. Bacteria are what cause the odor, and what we want to do is keep the bacteria count down, and we have products that will also address the odor as well. So in between brushing, what would I like? I would love for you to brush their teeth every day. Will you? Probably not. But if I could at least get you to use the dental rinse at least once a day, it will take the mystery away and will be an effective cleaning agent, because in here we have the #1 oral antiseptic that is pH balanced for the mouth. It has zinc in there, which what zinc will do will bind with the sulfur compounds made by the bacteria in the mouth and help take away that odor. It's also alcohol-free.
And why is that important?
Alcohol is a drying agent, and that in itself will cause bacteria to grow more, and it can be uncomfortable to your pet. So this is alcohol-free.
And we're going to show you how you use the rinse now.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So what it has, we just open the bottle.
All right.
It comes with an applicator. And I want to say that when you're going to do anything with your pet, first of all, interacting with them is a nice bonding motion, but go easy. Don't go at them quickly. Go gently. Go slowly. So you can let them see what it is. We've put the applicator in, and then what we do is all we have to do is put a squirt in the mouth. And again, you see, no objection. And again, that tongue action and the lips, spread that product around. The agent in here, the antibacterial, will bond with the teeth and the gums, and it will help keep bacteria away. The zinc will help address the breath, and there's no alcohol to make us uncomfortable.
By the way, this is for cats and dogs, and a price break today. So this is okay for your little cat as well as your dog. And any size dog, any kind of dog, any cat, any dog, any cat, this is good for. Now, I want to kind of throw it back to you, Doctor. And by the way, these are exclusive to us here at HSN as well. What happens if you don't take care of your pet's teeth? I mean, is it like human teeth? You won't be able to eat your, do they get cavities? I actually don't know a lot about that.
Dogs and cats will get cavities, but the secret is, if you don't want to brush the teeth, then that can lead to other health care problems. The bacteria can readily get into the blood system. It can affect the heart. It can affect the kidneys. It can affect the liver. And we want to keep those bacteria under control. Bacteria live there. Well, we want to empower you to take care of that bacteria and say, not my baby. And it's not going to happen on my watch. So these are professional formula products that you're either going to get here at HSN or at your veterinarian. That's it.
Yeah, and by the way, this is a newer product to HSN. This is only Dr. Tuder's second visit here, which is very exciting that, just from being here one visit, this is already a big customer pick. If you own this product or if you're picking it up, would actually love to hear from you. I'm going to give you our toll-free testimonial line. It's 1-866-376-8255. We brought in around 750 for the visit, and this is, it's made in the USA. I do want to say that. And you get the dental tube as well, the dental gel tube, and you also get the rinse and then the plastic applicator. So you're getting 3 separate products. You're getting the 2 products, the rinse and the gel, and then you're also getting the applicator. So there's nothing else you need to buy. Now, Doctor, how long will this last? How many do I need to get? Like, is this like a month supply or a 2-month supply? Or
this would last about 3 months.
About 3 months.
You don't need a lot.
Okay.
What you do need to do is to do it. And if you're not going to do this, do something and do the rinse, because we want to take care of our pet's health.
Yeah, and I like what you're saying is, maybe, we come at them with a toothbrush, they may run in the other direction, but a little bit on a cotton ball, you just did it right now live on TV, just like a little bit on a cotton ball, and Karma seems like, okay, he was cool with that. He was like, okay, that's fine. And then he kind of licked it around his mouth and moved it around for him. You kind of did the other half of the work for you.
That's right, and our pets need our help. They depend on us. Well, here with these tools, we can keep them healthy. They're not hard to use, they don't taste bad, and they work effectively.
Yeah, and the mouth, again, that really is, you're talking about the source of bacteria and the health. Well, listen, our pets are our members of our family. They're our babies. You want to take care of them. You wouldn't have your baby not brush their teeth for, 10 years. Well, of course, you're not going to have your pet, but it is, I have to admit, it is kind of a mystery to a lot of us. I remember kind of trying to get, all right, how do we take care of the teeth? I remember my parents taking the dogs into the vet to have the vet clean the teeth because we were like not really quite sure how to do that. Because, but I really feel like you're making it like, okay, you're empowering us to be able to take care of it, and it's not really going to be that big of a chore or that big of a deal.
You can do it. You just need to do it.
Yeah.
These are easy, effective, they will last you a long time, and they will keep your pet healthy. If your baby's happy, you're happy, and that keeps that family bond going. So pet parents, get busy and deal with oral health.
All right, a customer pick, a price break for the visit, 30-day money back.